Okay, guys, I have some tips for you guys. Okay, this is the follow-up video to the using apps while laying down feature I talked about. Okay, because technically speaking, right now it is still experimental, and some people have noticed that sometimes, like, you'll just laying upwards and it will go a little above to where you want to be, like laying down. And sometimes it will just go a little bit too low. You know, it's trying its best to track you based on your headset position. Well, I find the best way to combat this, like right here, I put here and it would probably be up a little bit compared to me laying there. So what I'm going to do is move the headset, just move my head down a little bit. Then it will go here, and then that's just perfect for when I'm laying down, honestly. Because and in case you guys are curious how I'm changing it each time, I'm just holding down the meta button, okay? And then that just changes it right there. I'm gonna change it right here for now because as you remember, laying down mode has been activated for stuff. Now, with that said, I do want to point out that there is an update coming soon. I don't know if whatever features go out of experimental features, such as laying down mode, means that it's usually not an experimental feature and they figured it out. But yeah, this is definitely the best way I've found to handle this. Just um look down a little bit more, like not necessarily right now, but when you're laying down, just look down a little bit lot more than where you would look normally. And then when you look back up to where you would normally, it's just fine. It's just a little trick that I figured out. Hopefully, it helps you guys as well. And yeah, let me know if you guys want any more tips or tricks and stuff that I've discovered. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.